Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, tasty beef and onion stir fried. This recipe is so good, I know that you're going to love it. So friends, before we jump right into the recipe, please take a moment to subscribe. So friends, on this channel I bring you guys the most easiest and simplest recipe you can put together in little time. So friends, for this recipe, we're going to need half of a white onion chopped into medium pieces, 2 spring onion chopped as well, for this recipe, you're going to need a pound of beef chopped into small pieces or desirable pieces. So friends, on this platform, I bring you guys the most easiest and simplest recipe you can put together in no time. As always, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. So friends, for marinade, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cube seasoning, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and also beef bouillon seasoning, 2 tablespoons. So friends, once you add all your ingredients, next you want to go ahead and just give it a good rub. For this recipe, overnight marinade preferable. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, does make a big difference. So before cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and set it aside for 20 minutes. So friends, for a better tasting result after marinating, next you want to go right ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Next, you're going to need 3 cubes of garlic chopped into small pieces. Next, in a heated pot, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, you want to go ahead and add your chopped garlic and also chopped onion and stir fry for a minute or two. After 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and remove and use in the same pot. Next, and go right ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, you want to go ahead and add your beef and just let it cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, for taste, it's going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and also 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, you want to go right ahead and add a bit of water and just let it cook for a few minutes. friends, after a few minutes, next you want to go ahead and add your cooked onion and just give it a good mix. So friends, how easy was that? At this point, we're all done. Quick and easy beef and onion stir-fried recipe. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.